All right, so I bought this water today. It's called Alkaline 88 water, made in Scottsdale. They claim to have 8.8 pH alkaline water, which is supposedly healthy for you. And what I did was I brought a pH strip to find out if their claims are valid. I'm going to test it right now. And actually, I'm going to compare it to coffee. Coffee's supposed to be more acidic, and I live on a ranch with a well, and so I'm going to show you that tap water, which actually comes from the ground. We're going to compare the pH on all three liquids, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so we got our water. Our Alkaline 88, which claims to be like a miracle water, which was on the back claimed that all it says is that it meets the FDA standards for water. And here's our coffee, which is obviously more acidic, and our tap water. But note that I paid $3.88. I'm sorry, $3.99 for this alkaline water at Sprouts. Obviously more than a gallon of gasoline. So pretty big claims there. I've never paid that much for a gallon of water, but thought I'd give it a shot and test it. I'm going to start the test here with the tap water to see what that's about. I mean, this comes from the ground, so surely they say that that's the perfect balance. So we're going to compare the color. So watch them. Tap water, touching on the pH strip, should get a color here. Just going to turn. Compare that with our pH reader. So it looks like it's about 6.8 to 7, maybe to 7.2, arguably. One of those shades there. That's the tap water, and that's actually, I'm sorry, that's from our well, so that's directly from the ground. All right, now we're going to test this coffee. I mean, obviously acidic. Coffee is considered to be an acidic by nature, so I'm going to go ahead and drop this right in coffee, and we'll see what we get out of the coffee. Expecting this to be somewhere more acidic on the pH scale, something a little lower, but it was used. I did make this coffee out of the tap water that came from the well, so obviously a little bit more acidic than the tap water itself in the color chart. Probably looks to me like it's about 5.8 to 6.0. Okay. All right, here's where we're going to test out this 88 alkaline water. We'll find out, if $3.99 was worth it, if their claims are legitimate. But I'll go ahead and pour a little bit of that in this cap here first. You can see our other two. The one on the left is the tap water, and the one on the right is the coffee with the tap water. Here's our Alkaline 88 water, which is more than unleaded gasoline, 91 grade. So this claims to be 8.8 so far. What do we got here? .5 to 5.8, so it's actually more acidic. Maybe 6.0 argue. I mean, it's probably more acidic than the coffee is, or equal to. So, these companies doing these things, you guys got to take a look at this. They claim to have this alkaline water. They're charging you a lot of money for it. There's something to be said about the placebo effect, but I mean, I'm sorry, but at the expense of $3.99 a gallon, definitely not worth it. Keep your head up for alkaline water, pH 8.8. It's called Alkaline 88, and they're based in Scottsdale, where water is not really, we're not known for our water here, but they've been pulling this thing from public waters, and they've been treating it with some process. But as you can tell, they're charging $3.99 for this fancy bottle, but at the end of the day, it's acidic water.